Hello and welcome back to another episode of Satisfactory. In the last episode we built the manufacturer right over there, and when we want to connect it we had a problem. We had a big problem. So let's head over to this problem to show you what we need to do. So we're right here on our main factory and here's the manufacturer, and we want to make some heavy modular frames. But to make some heavy modular frames we need encased industrial beams, and encased industrial beams are made out of steel beams and out of concrete. And there's the problem, we need a lot of steel beams because we also need them to make our Mark III conveyor belts. And to solve this problem we swapped out the conveyor belts in the last episode so we can make more steel, but I don't think that will be good enough. So that's why I installed a new platform right over there. And I think we want to redo the whole factory over again because we need a lot of steel and this is really messy and everything is all over the place and I want to fix that. So I'm gonna do that right now and I will be back when I'm done. And here we are. I have been very busy, as you can see. I reconstructed the whole factory and I also decorated it already. So let me show you what I have done precisely. Everything has changed pretty much, so lot to show you. So here we come in at a small hallway. Here goes the products go out in the direction of our base. And here we have the constructors that makes the steel parts. Here the steel beams and there the steel pipes. 2 steel pipes and 3 for steel beams. And you can see it doesn't go that fast because we have a small problem upstairs, but I will show you that in a minute. And here on this side we have the assembler that makes the encased industrial beams. So that's working also, we have already a little bit. And on the upstairs there we have the smelters to make the steel, and we have 5 of them, and we also make our concrete right there. So this is how it looks like from the upside. Here are 3 constructors for the concrete, and here comes the parts for the smelters. We have 5 smelters as I said, and everything is working fine, but we only need some more iron. So we need to fix that in a moment. We will fix that in a moment. There are different ways and I'm gonna find out which one will be the best. We need 45 per minute times 5, so 225 iron we need. And I really don't know what will be the best way to do that, because we can overclock the Mark II smelter we have over there, the Mark II miner we have over there behind this factory, or we can use one of these nodes and bring that also to this factory. But I have to find out if we can overclock the miner we have. And in case the power goes out we have a small walkway down here, so we can make our way up and down without using electricity. And what I have done is brought all the conveyor belts that makes the steel over from that side to that side. It goes out on this side again and goes in a little bit lower. So I think this is looking pretty nice and pretty neat. So that's one thing I'm very happy with. So let me see, how much do we need to do to overclock that miner? It is producing 120 per minute and we needed 225, so we need to overclock it to 200%. So we need two power shards, and I don't think we have those. But when I walked here I saw one right there, yes. So let's go there and let's hope we don't get attacked. And there's another one I think, because that's there is some particles showing and there's a hostile animal, but what I'm watching for is the little kittens I really ate, aka the spiders. And there's another hostile mob. Okay, we can do this easily I think. There we go, that's 1. And this is a yellow slug. I don't know what's the difference between green and yellow. Maybe we get some better power shards or something. I really don't know. Okay, and what I'm watching for is the spiders, as I told you. I don't see them, and I think there's something wrong with my water particles, or isn't it? No. Okay, there's the other one. There we go. Nice and easy. Another yellow one. Yes. In the pocket. Okay, let's get back. That went quite easy. Okay, let's see. What's the difference between the yellow and the green one? The green one makes 1 and the yellow one makes 2. Okay, so we got 4 now. Nice. Okay, I think that will solve our problem, because then we can overclock that twice and then we will have enough iron. The conveyor belt is already the Mark III, so that will handle it. So let's do that. Okay, there we go. Let's put one in. And let's put another one in. And now we got 240 parts. I can turn it back a little bit to 224, 25 we needed. Okay, let's do a little bit more. 228. And why is this? The conveyor belt Mark III should transport 270, so this doesn't need to stop, I think. So maybe there's one part that's holding it up that isn't upgraded yet. Ah, here it is. There we go. I think that was the problem. Yes, this is looking nice. So this is working now. Everything is optimized and has enough resources to make the steel. So I'm on my way to the main factory now, to the manufacturer, so we can see what we need to do next. I connected also the industrial beam conveyor belt to the manufacturer. Oh no, not to the manufacturer, but to the factory, so we can use that if we need it, and we will need it. But I think we have a lot more to do, so let's head over there. So I'm over here at the manufacturer, and we have the steel pipe now and the encased industrial beams. The modular frames we need more of, because I just take a look at the assembler and it only makes 2 per minute, and we need 10 per minute. So I think we need to make 5 new assemblers, and we need 200 screws per minute, and therefore we need 5 constructors. And with the 5 constructors we also need a lot of constructors for the rods. So I think we need to do a big expansion on the back of this building, and we need to find a lot of iron. So maybe we can use that one, and I think there some more, and there's some more. I think we need to gather a lot of resources to get this as good as possible. I don't know if we will manage to make it as optimized as possible, because we really need a lot. So I'm gonna be busy with expanding this factory and installing some machines, so we can see how far we can go to get this thing operational. Okay, I'm back with a quick update. I placed down all the machines we will need. This is for the modular frames, that is for the screws, but the modular frames need reinforced iron plates and reinforced iron rods. Not reinforced. So here we have some assemblers for the reinforced iron plates. And if we go down here, oh, I can't show you that from here. Let me go downstairs quick. Then we have expanded also on this side, this for some iron plates we will need, and that for some screws we will need. And I did some math, and it looks like we need 260 iron to make these 2 parts work, the screws and the modular frames. So we need to gather a lot of resources for that, and we also need a lot of power because I added a lot of machines right here. So let me first look for a node that will have enough iron. Can I jump this? Yes, we can. So we need 260 iron. I don't think this was a good node. I think this was an impure one. Yes, so this one will give us 30 for normal, 60 for upgraded. No, 45. No, this won't work. This isn't never nearly enough. So let me scan for some other iron ore. Hopefully one of those will be good enough. What's this? Is this another impure? Yes. Okay, so 2 impures could work maybe. But maybe there's another one. I don't mind to walk a little bit further if we only have to use one node, but we'll see about that. Okay, what is this one? This one is a normal. So then we have 60 and then we can overclock it to 120, I think. Let's kill this first. No, I say it wrong. If we build a miner Mark II, can we do that? No. Then we will have 120, so we will overclock it twice, then we will have enough, I think. So we can do the same as we did for the steel factory. Is there another node near? I thought there was, so let me explore a little bit further before we make any decisions. Let's see, what's this one? This one is a pure. Okay. So that's a little bit further, but I think that will work. And then we can connect it till up there. I think we need to do that. Because we need a lot of iron. And I rather have more than less. So let me gather some resources. Let me place down a miner and let's connect it to the base. Okay, I have the resources for the miner, so let's place that down. I think we need to face it that way to begin with. And let's see, how much does this give us? 240, so we need to overclock this once. That's no problem. And how do I want to do this? I don't know if this is faced right. I think I'm gonna connect the platforms up till here and then we're gonna build a small factory and some smelters down here. So let me do that and I will be back. Okay, there we go. I connected the foundations till here and I placed down the smelters and we need 10 of them. So that's quite a lot again. And here's the miner that will provide all the iron we need, I hope. It does look like a little bit messy. We don't have conveyor belts in. We don't have any power installed. But I think we also need to expand the power, as I said before. So I think I'm gonna be busy with installing all the conveyor belts and the electricity. And we will see how much we need. I'm also gonna install all the conveyor belts for the machines I placed earlier. And let's hope we can finish it in this episode. But it is a lot of work, so I'll be back. Okay, everything is installed, I hope, and everything is connected. I only need to do the 2 conveyor belts for the encased beam and the steel pipes, but I will do that later. Everything should work, everything has power. I didn't have to upgrade, I think. I calculated that I need about 300 megawatts and I think we still have that. Let me see it real quick. Yeah, we use about 800, so maybe we manage it just. So the last thing we need to do is to connect the power up to the miners and then everything will work. Let me go down here. a lot of conveyor belts going all over the place and we have to decorate everything, but we will do that in the future. So let me connect it to the miner and then everything should work. And there we go. Everything should have power now and should be producing. I don't know if I have selected the iron in all of the smelters. I don't think so. This one is. No, still need to do that, so let's do that real quick. Okay, and there comes the first iron and everything is working fine, I think. We'll see about that in a few moments, because it will take some time till everything has filled up and everything should work efficiently. So let's get back to the base and then we only have to overclock 2 systems. Oh, we have to overclock this one. But I don't have the power shards with me right now. Okay, we'll do that later. And it looks like we don't have enough power. I was editing this video and then I let the system run. And when I came back I saw a little bit of a red light right here and it is doing nothing. Of course we know what the problem is. This isn't a problem. I really don't know what's happening right here. The power is always constant and then there is some power drops. But how is that possible if everything is connected the right way? Let's try this and let's see what's happened. I hope this will work for now. I think it will work. Yes, for now it is working, so let's get back up. I did collect the power shard, so I can overclock the system right now, and I will do that. And then we need to take a look at the power, I think. And there goes the power already again. Okay, and can we see what the problem is? Therefore we need a power pole. There's one. Yeah, now we're using too much power. Okay. Good to know, good to know. We know we need a little bit more power. We will provide that. Okay, it does look like we have a water problem because these pipes are almost empty and on this side everything is fine. So maybe we need to install another water extractor and maybe that should fix the outage of one of the generators. And I don't know if I showed you this part of the water extractors. I showed you that part the last time, but I also connected the water pipe up till here because here is a lot of water. So I think we can place another one right down here and then maybe the problem will be fixed. I really don't know if the problem will be fixed then. So that's what I said last time. I really don't understand the mechanics of the water and I really don't like it because if I don't understand it then I can't fix it the way I want to fix it. So we need to remove this and this. We don't need that. And let's see, this is the middle, I think. So let's place down another water extractor. Let's place it like this. And let's place it like that, I think. And can we place down a water pipe till up here, or is that too short? No, that is possible. Nice. Okay, 1, 2, and let's make a corner. 1, 2, and let's put it in there. And let's also add a pump. Let's place that one right here and let's connect that one till there. And this one needs power also. Okay, so we have one extra water extractor right now. Okay, so I added 2 more coal generators and I forgot to connect this, and now everything should work again. Let's try this. No, why isn't it working? So if we disconnect this one and we power everything up, then we use only a bit of the potential. 1200 megawatts, here is 125, so this needs to be 1275, I think, if I'm correct. Oh, there it goes. Now we have all the power we need, so now we can reconnect this one. No, it wasn't that one, it was this one, I think, till there. Can we? Yes, there we go. And now everything should work again. We have a little bit of buffer, it isn't much, but I think it will be enough. I really hope we can expand to a new power source in one of the next episodes, but we'll have to do it like this for now. And if we have any fault, then we have to fix it again. So that won't be a problem at all. Okay, I do have the other power slug we need for the miner. So let's go there now. There we go, one in. And how much did we need? I said 260, but maybe that's a little bit more. So let's do all we can. 360 pumping out right now. That's great. And everything that oh no, wait, we have 10 smelters, so we can do 300, so let's save some power because we have a lot of power problems. 300 exactly, 125%. I think that will be fine, but unfortunately, because we didn't have power and I had to fix it and I need to fix it again, I'm all out of time. I will fix the power between episodes. I promise you we will finish the manufacturer in the next episode. We only need to connect these two and then it will take 55 megawatt power. But that will have to do it for today. I'm really out of time. I really want this episode to go up today. We have done really a lot again in this episode and we will finish it off in the next episode. I promise you. For now, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing and I'll see you in the next one.